Today we're going to learn how to draw a mouse. To start, you'll need paper and a marker. We're going to start off by drawing the letter D. But first, let's turn our paper so it's nice and tall. We're going to go down and around. Then we're going to fix our paper just how we started. So it's flat on the bottom and there's a hump on the top. Next, we're going to add a little ear. We're going to go to the point in the corner and scoot our marker up just a little bit. Then we're going to add a little hump right there. Next, I like to add the eyes. Since this is only going to be the side of the mouse, we're going to have one eyeball right under its ear. Now we can't forget the whiskers. I'm going to add 4 total. And I'm going to start at the corner of where the body meets this flat part right here. And this one's going to be quick. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last, we're going to add the tail. This one's really fun because we can make all the squiggles. Go to the back of the body. You're going to put your marker down on the bottom and you're going to whoop. There you go. Make a little swirl. That's how we draw our mouse today. I hope you had fun. Bye.